And the battle between the White House and the courts is heating up over a man mistakenly deported. A judge is now threatening to start a contempt investigation. ABC's Nicole D'Antonio has the latest in your national political news today.
This morning, growing concerns surrounding the deportation of Kilmar Abrego Garcia, the Maryland husband and father who the administration admits was wrongfully sent to El Salvador. Maryland Senator Chris Van Hollen now pushing for Abrego Garcia's release.
And the U.S. courts have found that he was illegally taken from the United States, and the government of El Salvador has no evidence that he was part of MS-13. Why is El Salvador continuing to hold him in CCOT?
A unanimous Supreme Court ordered the administration to let him return to the U.S. for a due process hearing. But the White House insists he will never live in the United States again and is criticizing the senator's visit.
It's appalling and sad that Senator Van Hollen and the Democrats applauding his trip to El Salvador today are incapable of having any shred of common sense or empathy for their own constituents and our citizens.
Abrego Garcia was living in Maryland after entering the country illegally. The 29-year-old was arrested and deported last month, along with hundreds of other men accused of being gang members. ABC News has learned new details about Abrego Garcia's past. In 2021, his wife obtained a temporary protective order against him, in which she said she was slapped, hit with an object, and detained against her will. The case was later closed, and his wife is now pleading for Abrego Garcia's return. Now, a federal judge is threatening to hold the Trump administration in criminal contempt for violating his orders last month to turn around those two planes carrying deportees to El Salvador. The White House is vowing to appeal, saying, quote, the president is 100% committed to ensuring that terrorist and criminal illegal migrants are no longer a threat to Americans. Nicole D'Antonio, ABC News, Washington.